It's saying,
I don't understand that language.
this is tree.
No.
That is, how are you in tree?
Yeah, I heard that it tasting, but you know, I don't speak that Twi.
Oh, okay. So this gentleman is from Ghana, but he hasn't stayed in Ghana before. I'm sure.
No. I lived in Ghana before.
How long have you been here?
I've been here for a very long time. You know, like for the past 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yeah, 3 weeks.
So where did you come from?
I lived in what's the place, Kumasi, around JSO. Yeah, it's called JSO.
JSO.
Yeah, JSO. You know, around the university, KNUST. You know, you go to what it called, Pomesua, and then That's right. Yeah, that's right. And then you go
Ejiso.
Thank you. That's the name. Ejiso.
It is Ejiso.
Yeah, that's right. That whatever, man.
Wow.
Yeah.
So how come you don't speak Tree?
No, you know, that's so hard, you know, since I came back from the motherland, you know, it's so hard here, you know, everybody try to talk to me in Tweet, and I don't know, the snow be taking all my tree away. You know, right now my name Dwayne Johnson. You know, I changed my name Dwayne Johnson.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Thank you.
So, what do you do here?
Right now, I really ain't doing nothing, you know. I try washing plates, you know. I try washing plates. I try washing the teeth of horses, but you know that job ain't for me, man. So I'm just chilling, you know.
Wow. Yeah. Oh, thank you very much. So say something to your people in Ghana.
Right. To all my niggas in Ghana. To my grandmother, Nana Triwa, right? That's how you say it.
Triwa.
Yeah, Nana Triwa, and all my niggas in KNUSD. I'ma see y'all next semester, man. You know, I'm chilling in America, y'all. Yeah, that's right. Peace out. I'ma see all my niggas.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I pray. I'll see a friend Dwayne Johnson. Oba America bese na ochi me nsapenie na ni twi nyina atiko. Well, osi enche bia na busuafo amowo ejoso obesende mu nyina sika pa chese.
Obe. I'm time guy. Me meta ni ho sika. Sure. Me me bre ohana obi.
Afidot twi.
Maza, afidot
sharing our recipes. Home sweet food. Adrian